Hi guys, it's me Monroe, and today I'm going to be kayaking. I'm going to be kayaking today, and I'm going to show you guys what the weather looks like. This is the weather. It is pouring down. But I really want to go kayaking because I've never been kayaking before. And I was very scared of doing the kayaking and stuff because I saw this movie and it was like they crashed and stuff and the kayaking thing. I know that a lot of the things are fake in the movies and series, but that could be real. But my mom said that it's just like a calm river and stuff. So I think it's gonna be fine. Hopefully, yeah. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. Bye. Wish me luck.